Here's what you need to know about the shopping annuity. What is a shopping annuity? And let's just be really clear and just say shop.com, okay? Shop.com is the ability for you to get paid on everything you already do, get paid on everything everyone else does, and develop an ongoing income and have the ability to own and operate a business so you have potential tax write-offs with that. And you get paid on what you're already doing, and it's less to do, meaning whatever money you spend now, you'll spend less by doing it through shop.com. So we are officially at our point where I've been telling people, you got to not be right in the head not to get it. I mean, you just got to be a skeptical person without seeking answers, or refuse to get this information absorbed in your head, okay? What's the best YouTube clip to show a client? I'll get that in a second. Hold on. YouTube. Depends on the client, by the way. Hey, Naples, what's up? Love Naples, Florida, by the way. So we're at a point now, if somebody hears how we can pay them to shop and they refuse to do it, it is not based on fact. It is based on just them. I don't get why you would. If you spend $100 at Home Depot and I showed you how to spend $90 for the same amount and get paid to do it and get paid on everyone shopping at Home Depot, why wouldn't you own it, right? It would just makes too much sense. Even if I wasn't going to build a big business, it makes sense, meaning I'm going to spend less than what I do now owning a shop.com business, and it has the potential to grow and pay me on everyone's shopping. Duh. This is officially a duh. You're either smart or dumb. Either one. I can't help you if you're dumb, though, okay? So that's how you have to present this now. Are you smart? Are you dumb? Either one. And it's cool, whatever you decide to do. But here's what we know, okay? Duh, exactly. We know the average household in the United States makes around $51,000. That's a family of 4. Husband and wife, 2 adults, 2 kids, okay? And we know that they make around $51,000. So, by the way, do you think that's a good number? Do you think that is an accurate number? Do you think that people can have a good, nice, stress-free life living on $51,000 after taxes on 4 people? It ain't happening, man. That's the stats. By the way, I'm not making up those stats. You can go research them yourself. And we know that people at the end of the year, this is a sad stat, the average American in the United States has less than 0 in their bank account. Less than 0. You know what happens too if you have a little bit more? If you have a little bit more and then holidays hit, the most amount of spending is going to happen in the last 3 months of 2015, just like it does every year. So whatever little they have, they just get rid of it. They splurge it, they buy gifts, and sayonara, and which is why you have huge volumes pouring through. And it's coming, by the way, so I hope you own one of these so you can get a part of all that spending that's about to pour through. If you like this content, hit the screen. You can hit the hearts 500 times. If you want to hit it more, sign out and sign back in, and you can do another 500. That's a little Periscope tip, by the way. Appreciate this. I think we hit over 250,000 hearts, so I love it. I love it. I feel the love. So we know that now. Do you think that $51,000 that people spend includes their mortgage? No, it doesn't. Do you think it includes college loan debt? No, it doesn't. Do you think it includes credit card debt? No, it doesn't. So do you think the average American spends all of their money or double or triple what they actually make, right? That's what ends up happening, okay? Doesn't work that way. Okay, next million now, next billion. Shop.com will, without a doubt, be a billion to $1 trillion company. You'll see it happen, and it's unfolding in front of your eyes. I hope you're aware of it. How about this? With the shopping annuity, if you own this, Christmas would be free. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, how would you like to have a free Christmas? Money comes in, you just get to spend. It doesn't come out of your bank account. Show you how to do it, okay? So here's what we know. Of the $51,000 today, we can move about $19,000 to $20,000 and pay you on it. We can move 19 to 20. You're already going to spend it. It's already gone, and we can now turn it into income for you. Why wouldn't you own it, okay? We also know that the average American spends $1,100 on gas to just go shopping. Do you think about that? When people go, oh, it's 25 cents cheaper, or it's 10 cents cheaper, or I got a coupon for $1, you got to go in a car, you got to take the time away out of your life, and you got to drive to and from and come back home. That costs money. And then wear and tear on a car is an average of $1,500 per year to just keep going around the places, right? So I want you to tell you, is it worth putting $1,100 back in gas in your life, that's yours. You get it back, okay? True cost of goods is when you add all the expenses and everything else, okay? Streaming Wi-Fi on the beach is not a good time. No, it's not, okay? And at the same time, wear and tear. These are hidden costs that you don't think about, that people ignore, and when they shop online and go, oh, I got to pay shipping or I got to pay this. I'm like, dude, but you don't have the added expense of all the other stuff, okay? This is the other thing, is how much is your time worth? I want to take how much time do you value your time? How much do you make a year? And figure out how many hours you work to earn that money per week. And that's going to give you what you're worth right now per hour. But if you're developing a business, your time is money. You got to hold on to that. Don't waste it going and randomly wasting time. Time's too precious. Don't waste it driving 30 minutes to a store and shopping and then driving back home, okay, where you just wasted 3 hours of your life. What, to get a better deal? What, you could have got a better deal and took 3 hours to go build a business instead of wasting it going to a store? Come on. We're better than that. So the average American wastes $6,000 of their own time that could create, if they invested it in a business, could create six-figure incomes. So here's what I know, okay? Okay, the time you're in a store can be with family. Yes, it can be with family. Of course it can be. But do you want to waste it, or would you rather just do the online shopping in 10 minutes, be done, and then have 3 hours to go hang with your family? Okay? People need to get better with time. We don't value time. We, for whatever reason, we just neglect it, and we're busy at work, and now we want to get home and relax. Don't do that, man. Okay, my name is Ryan Stack. If you just joined, you can email me at training@thestacklife.com, or you can go to thestackgrp.com. That's my website. Tells a little bit about me. And if you have any questions for me, anything you want to tell me, I'd be happy to help you out. So here's what we know. If you own a shop.com business, even if you're not growing it, it's $9,000 back in your pocket in time savings, gas savings, and wear and tear on your car before we get into earning money. So I'm going to ask you, you're either going to keep spending the money you will, or do it and the same things. Do it through shop.com and get paid an ongoing income. Get money back in your pocket. That alone, if you just shop through shop.com at all the stores you shop at, you'd have about $1,500 in cash waiting for you around November or December if you did it once in a while. Do you think it's worth it for that? Not including the $9,000 I just said you saved by shopping online, okay? Don't let the learning curve fear be the reason you don't look into this opportunity. Hey, listen, I talk about this a lot. You see a lot of people online talking about stuff. You have to omit the messenger, and you got to go get the facts. Everything we say is a message. Don't take the person's word for it. Don't validate if they're credible or not. Just listen to the message and say, is it worth looking into myself? And who am I going to work with if I decide to take advantage of that opportunity? I found shop.com by someone who today doesn't even own it. Meaning they missed out. They didn't get it. They didn't understand the concept. But they were the messenger. And when I asked them, how much are you making? Is that a good question? Because at the time they were making nothing. But today that makes me a full-time income. So what a shame if I based the opportunity on the messenger. Never do that. Okay, I always tell people, if you're watching this, don't take my word for anything. Go research it yourself. I'm just giving you the message. You can do what you want with it. What do you guys think of that, by the way, right? Don't shoot the messenger, man. You got a message. Maybe you stumbled across this. Maybe someone told you about this scope. You're getting a message. You can decide to do something or ignore it. Totally up to you. But please don't take my word for it. Go do your own research. So here's what we know. If you took the average of what people spend, okay? So none of us want to build a business. We just want to get paid on what we spend. If you owned a shop.com business, it would put $9,000 back in your pocket. Okay, so you get to save $9,000. You'd have at least $1,500 in cash back waiting for you at the end of the year on just average spending. You go to Home Depot, you go to Walmart, you go to Target. You do everything through shop.com, and that adds up, adds up, adds up, adds up. And that's cash back. That's your free Christmas. That's a mortgage payment. How about you only have to pay mortgage 11 months out of the year? Whatever it is. And it's free. Did it cost money to do that? No, you just took what was going to cost and you turned it into income. Shop.com is the only company that does that. Now, here's what I want to also tell you. If you own Shop.com, you get paid twice on the same purchases You have the ability to get paid up to 4 times on the same purchases. And here's the magic sauce. Here's the thing you got to get. Because I have people go, well, is there free shipping on Shop.com? I got Amazon Prime. I blah, blah, blah. But do you get paid when other people shop? Do you get paid on hundreds of people shopping? Or are you just worried about your free shipping? Or you just, and by the way, there's free shipping on Shop.com at so many stores. We have 85 million products. A majority of them you can get free shipping on or pick up in the store. So that's not even an excuse, and there's no Prime. You just get it. You just get it. All right? And I'll even show you how the majority of, if you own a Shop.com account and have the app that we have right now called Shop Buddy, it'll show up if you're on Amazon by some weird chance. You happen to just decide to shop on Amazon, we will tell you when we beat it, and you can click on and get the savings. It's not always a savings. So would you rather worry about your little free shipping deal, which isn't free shipping, by the way. It's you're paying a prime. You're paying a premium, right, to do that. Okay, it's not free shipping. Let's be clear about that. You're paying for it. Okay, or would you rather own something that pays you to do it, you spend less to do it, and you get paid on everyone else's, okay, Amazon get rich, you don't get a dime. Exactly. Would you like to get paid on everyone else's spending, but it doesn't take money out of their pocket because they get the same benefit as you? This is the next generation of Amazon. Amazon was the next generation of big box stores like Walmart's, and we are the next generation of Amazon. We don't warehouse anything. We direct ship products. We're the largest retailer, and we don't have any inventory. But here's the other thing. There's no pyramid. There's no Amazon. There's no Walmart at the top sucking up the profits. Guess where the profits go? They allow everyone to own one so that the funds get redistributed back to the people, back to people who want to be entrepreneur, get paid on helping people save money on the expense of living. What other company does that? You tell me. There's not a single one out there that reverses the whole cycle in a way where it's already the next generation. It's better than how we do it. It's better than how Amazon has operated. And instead of hurting local business and hurting companies, it spreads it back to the people and back to the economies. Okay, so give me a shout out. If you like that, say, I love that. Because I think it's something special that's going on. And by the way, for those of you who don't know what Shop.com is and the shopping annuity, it really just gave birth about 5 days ago. The company's 23 years old, 85 quarters of straight profitability, rock solid, has made over $6.5 billion and paid out $3.2 billion of that back to people who own and operate it. And now we finally got the ability to get paid on everything you're about to do. So here's some tips. Ready for some tips? How to get paid as much as possible if you own a shopping annuity. First tip is you got to go learn what a shopping annuity is, meaning you got to understand how Shop.com works. So if you're on here and you don't know what that is, someone invited you on, call them, message them, say, I got to see that shopping annuity presentation. Let them explain how it works. If you stumbled on here by accident, message me on my website, thestackjrp.com. I'll explain how it works, okay? Okay, here's your tip, your big tip number one. If you understand all of this, is you got to start moving money back into your own pocket, okay? You ever go into Target? What does Target have? They have laundry detergent, and they have Tide, and they have 3 different brands, and then they have Tide laundry detergent, or they have Target laundry detergent, their own brand stamped as a Me Too product, but their profit lines are bigger. So they want to promote their product because they don't have Tide in the way. They get to keep more of the profit. Well, here's a good thing, is Shop.com is just as smart. So they have their own Shop.com brand. So you can look through all of the brands that, by the way, will pay you. So if you're just hung up on it, great. We'll still pay you to buy it. But if you're smart, you'll get more margin to your dollar by using Shop.com laundry detergent. That's an example. We have 2,100 other products that you can systematically say, instead of buying it here, I'm going to buy here. And most of them have a benefit, meaning they do something better than what's on the market. That's why they even invented them in the first place, and some of them destroy people in price. We have some, like a product that's like a Windex that will last you the whole year. It's about $20, right? And I've had some people say it lasted 3 years. So how often do you go through some of your cleaners and, you know, and you get paid to do it, by the way. So that's number one, is switch over systematically. Every time you're about to buy something, say, wait a minute, let me see if Shop.com has that brand, because they pay you a higher margin. Okay, so it's more close to 80% to the dollar versus 2 to 3%. You want to get rich? You want to be free? You want to increase your income on your spent money? You shift it over and you get the highest payout. Shop.com pays you so well to use your own products, and there's a savings involved and there's a quality involved as well that's better than what is out there. That's why they invented them in the first place. So you got to do that, okay? Sounds like Amway or Silmer. No, Amway is a MLM, a multi-level marketing company, which translates into a sales structure that is pyramid-shaped, and you get a percentage of sales based on other people selling products, okay? So have you ever met $1 million Amway people that no longer own it? They're not sustainable. They fall apart. I've done videos on that. It's a logical reason why they can't be built and sustainable. So no, this isn't. So if you want to know how they differ, I would be happy. Okay? Amway is only one-way brand. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't have a problem with Amway. It's just a sales job. So if you want to work 80 hours a week to maintain a company and make $60,000, if you're able to build it, that's what Amway tends to be, or any other MLM. I've debated this with so many people, and I've done videos on it, so check out the videos, or email me if you want to just compare every company on the planet. I'd be happy to dissect anything for you. You're welcome. The next thing is IBV, which is getting paid from all the other products. Now, Shop.com has something called Shop.com Direct. That is your next tip, is move your products to Shop Direct. Does it make sense to go to Staples, buy the paper that they didn't make? They didn't manufacture the paper, or they didn't manufacture the ink cartridges, or the HP printer you bought, or the stapler you bought. No, they didn't do that, okay? What they did, I'll tell you what the Shop Buddy app is in a second. What they did is they went to a manufacturer, and they know people come there for office supplies, and they sell it to you and mark it up, and they keep the profit, and you get the product. That's the deal. Shop Direct said we can find and get the same products from the same manufacturer and give the customer more money back because we don't have a storefront. We don't have employees. So we're going to take it directly from selling online. The manufacturer is going to ship it to your place, and we're going to give you 15 to 20% cash back. Duh. Why wouldn't you do that? It pads your pocket, and it forces the money to go to you versus Staples. Okay? So that's one tip you have to do. We do that with groceries. We do that with everything. So make sure Shop Direct. We have a department store like a Macy's. We have an office supply store. We have an electronics store. And we have a grocery store, 24,000 products. And you don't need a membership. It's like a bulk buying like a Costco or Sam's Club. No membership. And it's $5.99 shipping no matter how big. 8 tons of food, $6. And you get paid to do it. You get paid very well to do it, okay? And then lastly is what I call stacking. Is we don't have any other version of that, but you know you have to buy something at Macy's, right? You got to buy that T-shirt, and we can't sell it direct. So, cool, Macy's is on there. They're going to pay you to shop on Shop.com. But the other thing you can do is look on Shop.com for stores that have things like gift cards or, different gift certificates that go live right away. So you can go on there. Here's a great example is Raise.com. Comes and goes. They're here now. They pay you 4% cash back, 4% IBV. You get a gift card at a discount. So let's say it's a $100 Macy's gift card. You can get it for $85. So you save $15, right? You didn't have to spend that, and you get paid to do it twice as an owner. Then I go and I use, to buy that, I can use my Shop.com card, okay? I don't want to take it out. You're going to start ringing up but I have a Shop.com card, credit card, and I can use that to buy the Raise card, and I get paid to do that. I get paid to use a credit card. So I get paid twice, and I got $15 savings, and then I go to the Macy's, and Macy's pays me 4% cash back, 4% IBV. So I systematically took one way to get paid and 3 times extended it in 2 different ways, cashback and IBV. And that blasts through not only my household to pay me, but I can send all of that online spending and give it to every single one of my Shop.com partners that owns a business that I partnered with, and they get paid because I had to go spend money at Macy's, which, by the way, if I didn't own this, I would have spent anyways. You're starting to see, this is almost, if you don't get it, like I said before, you're either smart or you're dumb. And I'm not trying to make fun of anyone. I'm just saying this is math. This is not debatable. This is not opinions. This is math. Like, you spend less and you make more. If you don't get it, I can't help you. You know, I can draw it out. I can make PowerPoints. I can train you, but you got to get this real quick. You got to get this, okay? So, anyways, stacking. So, switch to shop.com brands, switch over to direct, and then switch over to stacking different savings, and then you can start sharing that with other people, and 100% of what you can help them do, you can earn. If you took 10 partners or 10 households and taught them how to do this, and you were managing 10 on both sides of a shop.com business, it would equal close to $3,000 of ongoing cash flow, not only for you, but for many of those people as well. So this is just common sense. I hope this makes sense to you. I hope you stumble across this video. If you want to know more about shop.com, you can message me at training@thestacklife.com or go to my website, thestackgrp.com, or ask the person who invited you on this, because they can have all that information later, and this will be going on my YouTube channel, so keep an eye out for it. Okay, ShopBuddy app. If you get a shop.com account, okay, if you get a shop.com account, I'm going to take this over here. You end up getting a shop.com account, all right? It's just getting hot out, so I got to go in the shade over here. If you end up getting a shop.com account, then you can download something called ShopBuddy. It's an app that saves on your desktop, your browser. So whatever, if you're on Firefox, Safari, and anytime you go online, if it's a store we can pay you at, it's going to drop down and tell you, click here because we can pay you, all right? And then it'll show every coupon code, so you don't have to pay full price at checkout. And it also shows up if you do. I'm not saying I would say never go, but if you do go to Amazon and we can beat Amazon's price, ShopBuddy is going to pop up with a link to say buy it at shop.com. Click here, we can pay you to buy it, and it's cheaper. And here's how it's cheaper. Okay, so definitely check out ShopBuddy. It'll make sure you never miss a deal, you never overpay for an item, and you get paid every time, and you get every coupon code. No brainer, no brainer. So I hope this broadcast was great. Thank you guys so much. If you have questions for me, please message me, training@thestacklife.com, or you can go to my website, thestackgrp.com. You can contact me with any of those forms on there. And definitely, if someone invited you on here, please message them. If you happen to message me, you can still message me, but let me know on my website. It actually says, did someone invite you on this video? If so, please put their name, because I want to make sure they get the information, and that's a person you should follow up with anyways. Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the week. It's Happy Wednesday. It's hump day. Make the best out of it. Take care.